Welcome back to my Animation Basics series. This is lesson 2. So let's get started. First off, click on Maya. Let's open up Maya. You can find it over here in your dock. Let's let it load for a second. And once it loads, let's make a new scene. Remember, there's 2 buttons where you can click. There's New to the left and New Scene, that's usually in the middle. It might even show previous files, which is completely fine. That's pretty cool. So let's say New to the left, and now Maya's open up. Let's go to File, Project, Project Window. File, Project, Project Window. Let's make a new project by clicking on the New button. I'm going to call this Lesson 2. And change the location by clicking on this folder. I like going to the folder bookmarks to the top left, scrolling down, and clicking on Desktop. And then say Select. Once you hit the Accept button, it should pop up on your desktop. There it is. Awesome. Next up, let's set the project so anytime we save, we know for sure that it's going to save into that folder. So go to File, Set Project. Click on Lesson 2, and then click on Set. Okay, your project should be set. Now, let's go to File, Save Scene As. You can see that it's in the Lesson 2 folder, indicated up here. Let's have this file name as L02 underscore setup. Make sure that it's a Maya ASCII file, and then click on Save As. We can always check that it's saved by going to our folder, then going to Scenes. It's right there. Perfect. Now in this tutorial, we're going to be adding in the camera right now instead of during the animation phase, because the animation and what we need to model has to be shown right away. So we want to build the set according to our camera. So here's an example of what we will be doing. We're going to have a ball go down the ramp and hit the wall. So simple as that. And we want to build our set, our ramp, our floor, and our wall according to the camera and make sure that the ball fits. I'm going to minimize that. So let's go to our Panels button in the perspective window. Go to Orthographic View, New, Front. We're going to rename this. Let's try renaming it in the Channels box this time. Double click on Front 1 and rename it to Playblast underscore camera, cam for short. And then, based off my notes, we're going to change the translate Y to 3.5. To 3.5. Notice when we changed it that this solid gray line right here, a little more solid than the rest, that's the horizon line. That's where everything starts. So see how I made a sphere? Everything starts there. You don't have to make a sphere yet. That was just to show you. We're moving that horizon down so that the ground level will be our horizon. It'll make a nice composition for the scene. Okay, next up, let's also add the resolution gate so that we can see everything clearly. And then finally, let's save our scene. File, we already saved it before, so now we can just click on Save Scene. Sweet. And let's move on to modeling in the next video.